Hey everyone, just doing another quick video regarding my Craftsman uh, half horsepower garage door opener. So I was having an issue with it opening. My wife one day went to go close the garage, and then it would just cut out. And it wouldn't roll back up. So my initial thought was that it was going to be the sensors. So I checked all the sensors. I made sure they were all clean. And then one other thing, your sensor, one of the sensors has a light, and it's kind of hard to see, but there it is. And then when you block the signal, which is what would bring the garage door back up so it doesn't fall on anything that's underneath it. So this was all working, but when the garage door would shut off, I lost power. I lost all power to the garage. So this little light is kind of like an indicator. That light would be off. So I kind of fiddled with it. It had nothing to do with the sensors, but I did fiddle with. I took this off, this whole board. It's 4 screws, and it just comes right out. Make sure you remove the light bulb, and there's a connection. And here's another one. This is what it looks like when you take it off. This is the back. This is the back side of it. There's a connection. Let me try to do this with both hands. And it was this one. This connection, if I messed with it enough, it was actually cutting off power to my entire system. I tried to put some grease on there, like some conduit grease. Thought maybe that would help with the connection. Didn't work. So what you have here is you have this connection. There's a plug that goes here, and then there's another one that goes here, and then that's pretty much it. And then you're able to take it off. So what I did was I just went online. I bought this whole new casing and board. I bought a used one. So the one this is the default. This is the faulty one. This one, as you can see, there's the part number. The date was 10/2013, which is roughly when I bought my garage door. In fact, the other board I got is actually an 05, which kind of worried me at first. I didn't know if it was going to work. But so so I basically just put a whole new board in. This board cost about 40 bucks on eBay, obviously used, and it solved my problems. The garage door works great. I just want to share that with you guys. It was an easy fix. Kind of saved me, it saved me about, $200 or so, $200, $300 for a whole new garage door. So if you're having this problem and you're losing all power to your garage door, in my experience, if it's a Craftsman, I'm sure other garage door openers do it too, but I'm not familiar with them. But it's if you're losing all power to your Craftsman half horsepower garage door opener, chances are, if you open this up, fiddle with this connection, this one right here, you'll notice that the whole system will click on and off, and it'll cause you to lose power. So get a new one of these or a used one from eBay, 40 bucks. I thought it was a good price. And then pop that back in, put those 4 screws back on, light bulb, and you're good to go. So if you guys have any questions, let me know. This seems to be a common problem. Have a good day.